guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany if you are new here. If you are not, welcome back. Today is Saturday, October 12th. You probably won't be able to see that, but it is 2:53 p.m. Oh my gosh, it's already 3 o'clock. I got my bed made. Me and Jason went and had lunch. We had some sushi, and I figured our house is so messy from needing it to be cleaned from working all week. We just don't clean like we should, but the kitchen, the living room, everything needs to be cleaned so bad, you guys. So I figured you guys love cleaning with me videos, and I can kind of show you my decor. It's not what I wanted, but it's okay. I worked with what I had because obviously you guys know like decor takes time and money, and obviously this is my second year. I've been living here with Jason for a few years, but you know, I haven't had a lot of money to like decor and stuff, and like this wallpaper in the background, me and him have been wanting to get rid of it for weeks, and things just come up and they happen. So with this wall here, it needs to be steamed. I mean, I don't know, I could try to peel it, but I wanted to steam it off, paint it, and then I also wanted to paint our kitchen like a really pretty gray. So that might be my next weekend's adventures, and if I do that, I will definitely be recording it for you guys because a lot of you have said that you want to see that. But yeah, looking at the kitchen, it's not like a horrendous mess, but it's embarrassing enough. So I'm gonna empty the dishwasher. Empty the dishwasher, clean up our trash. I plan on cleaning the dining room, vacuum the living room. What else? Yeah, clean the bathroom. I mean, we'll just kind of see where it takes us, because in a little bit when Jason is done doing what he needed to do, we're gonna go and get me some caribou because I'm out of my coffee. Like, you can just tell, like, there's just mess everywhere. So it needs to be clean because it gives me anxiety. No, I'm just kidding, it doesn't. It just makes me feel like, you know. So, moving Jason's soda. We're gonna put you guys right here for right now. And I really need to clean out, oh, I always step in Indy's water. Our pantry, cupboards, whatever. There's just a lot to be done in such little time because I'm lazy on the weekends, because I'm tired from working all week, you know? I'm gonna fast forward and you guys can just sit back, relax, watch me clean. I love watching people clean. I think it's so relaxing. So, like I said, just sit back, relax, and I'm gonna fast forward and get this shit cleaned up. Hey guys, last time you saw me I was unloading the dishwasher and time kind of slipped away from me. So it is, let me just show you guys, it is Sunday, October 13th, and I did not finish cleaning. Jason and I went and got caribou yesterday and kind of just ran some errands, and then I haven't cleaned since because I wanted to film it. Oh, I like hit my face. I just took a shower a little bit ago. I just been relaxing. I did actually just upload a video of my Sunday brunch, hence it's Sunday, so I quickly uploaded that because I figure it was kind of a cute video. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna kind of put you guys on fast forward again, just kind of clean the house, what I can get done within like the hour, because I still have to go to the grocery store, pick up some stuff for work all week. So yeah, that should be coming soon. I'll probably do a mini grocery haul for you guys. But yeah, I know you guys love watching my clean with me videos, so I kind of just wanted to throw this in there, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to kind of show you what I ended up doing with my fall decor. So as a lot of you might know, I got a new bedroom set, Jason and I did. This was in my bedroom, so we moved it out here, and I put the blue pumpkin I got, this cute little truck. Indy's toys are down here now. In here, I'm just gonna store my Sensies, which is this guy here. I got him at Walmart. We got this, Jason, where did we get this stand at? Got this stand at Shopko before they went out of business. This guy is from Walmart, really cheap, but it doesn't look cheap. And then this is from Marshall's. I think I still have the tag on it. Nope, I finally took the tag off. And then the drawers were also from Shopko before they closed. This really cute stand is from Hobby Lobby. These 3 plants are from Hobby Lobby. This is from Walmart, Hobby Lobby. I got this on sale for half off, so I got it for like 15 bucks, super cheap. And then I just decorated our fireplace, or like our entertainment stand, pretty, I don't know, I didn't add too much to it. I just put some leaves around here, my Happy Halloween, my little cute little sign. Can't remember where that's from. This is from Marshall's, and then my little pumpkins are from Marshall's. And then this guy's from Marshall's. Everything is from Marshall's, you guys. And then on here, this is from Marshall's. It's just his home. I can't find a home for that, but I got this guy at Marshall's. And then I got these little pumpkins at Target. You might have seen these before. And then this light I got from Target. And then these cute little things. All of this is from Target. These little pieces. So, really liked that. This basket we got at Kohl's, Marshall's, I can't remember. And then we just have a basket full of crap. This is from Target as well. And then the other day, our couch is not done. I don't have enough pillows yet, but I got this really cute, huge white pillow. Got these gray pillows, and then I won't show Jason, but we got these really nice white, fluffy white pillows at Marshall's. So that is all, you guys. I just got done cleaning. I probably won't clean the rest of the night because it's late and I'm tired and hungry and my camera's dying. So if you guys enjoy these cleanings with me, I'm sweating, so it was a good cleaning sesh, if you will. I'm gonna just relax on the couch now. Me and Jason are gonna hit the grocery store up, and then that's all. So happy Sunday. I mean, it'll be whatever day you're watching it, but I hope you guys like this. Give it a thumbs up if you like to see these cleans with me. I kind of enjoyed it. It was fun. It kept me motivated to clean. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you guys stick around. Until next time, I will see you next time.